All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So, in an effort to push this channel um, away from strategy and towards risk management and psychology, which I believe is what's going to make you money in the long run, not the particular strategy you're using. So, I was talking to a subscriber the other day. Well, I was replying to him. It's not like we were having a conversation, but talking about, trading is about controlling your risk at the end of the day. You can have the best strategy, but if you lose more than you win, when you lose, you're not going to be in this game for long. So we're just going to go with a strategy I just cooked up just tonight. I'm sure it's out there somewhere. I'm not saying I invented it, but we're just going to go over it. We're going to do 20 trades with it, okay? And we're going to try to see if um, running it with a 1 to 1.5 risk reward on a 2-minute chart um, is going to be a good strategy. Okay. So the rules of the strategy are this. Let's put them in notes up here. Um, we're only allowed to take buy signals below histogram, and at lower BB. Okay. And sell signals are the opposite. So sell signals above histogram and at upper BB. 1 to 1.5, 1.5 RR. That's target. And we're going to do 20 trades. Okay. Just going to have these rules up here floating. And this is actually an excellent tool to use, this anchored text. It's actually pretty good to use if you're analyzing a chart and you need the information that like ATR or whatever it is, to kind of be up here, and it'll move with the chart. So wherever you scroll to, it'll be there. Okay. Um, okay. So let's go back. Let's just go back so we can have enough data to do 20 trades on. Okay. I have MACD down here with alerts. Okay. The alerts are simply when the line crosses from bullish to bearish. It just makes it a little bit quicker to see. But um, we're going to go with that. We're on the 2-minute chart, so we don't need a wide stop. We're going to need probably an 8-point stop. You're going to know if it's not working within 8 points, and we want a 12-point take profit, and that'll be our 1 to 1.5. And we're going to bring up the notepad here. It's going to have wins, losses. Okay, we're going to leave that on top, right over here. And that's how we're going to track it. So let's go. Okay, so this first one here, we're oversold. We're getting a buy signal below the histogram, and we are at a Bollinger Band. So we're going to put that there. The buy signal happened here, so we're going to put it on the next bar. So it'll be right here. And as you can see, we did win that trade. Okay, so it's going to be one win. Okay, so that's all we took. Let's go down here. We have a sell signal right here. We have a sell signal above, but we're not near the Bollinger Band. We're not near the top. We have another one here, and we are near the top, but it happened so fast, we couldn't have caught this. So while that was a good trade for 14.29, it happened. Well, could we have caught it? Let's zoom in here. Let's see. Let's just do this little intersection here and zoom in on it. Let's pull that up, pull this up here. Okay, so this is the area. We would want this to happen before this. So we want a signal before this happened in order to get in. And this is acceptable. I mean, we're pretty much near the band. It doesn't have to be touching it, but you can't be like down here and say you're near the band. So if you're like a candle removed from the band, let's just make that rule. If you're like a candle removed from the band, we're going to say that you would have caught that trade. So let's see here if we have a signal that is um, before the moving average, before the big breakdown happens. Let's see. So it's right here. And so I would say not. I mean, you get one here, right? You get one here, but you don't get it. You really get the signal on this candle. And I could have just looked at this. I could have just looked at this. There's nothing there. You can see that. These aren't there. There's nothing there. So you're still in buy signal. So we didn't have to do all that. My bad. Okay, so we didn't do that. We'll just look at these from now on, these carrots. Okay, up here, you have another buy signal. Oh, this is the same one, duh. Okay, so we're coming down. We get our second buy signal here. We cannot take that, though, because we're way far away from the band. We get it about right here, and we're already 16 points away from the band. Can't take it. So you're coming up here. You get a sell signal right here, really far away from the band. You can't take that one. You get a buy signal that's above the histogram, though, so you ignore it. Okay, so you're traveling on down here, traveling on down. You get a buy signal here. Okay, looks like you get one right here. So you'd be in on the next candle. So let's bring this over here. Where were we? Looks like it is right here. Is that buy? No, it's right here. And you are below the histogram, so you can take that, right? So you got this here. So you take it on this candle right here, this red candle. And if anything crosses up on that red candle, you have it. Okay, so you do get a cross up, but you don't get to 12 points. You get to 8.5. So that's going to be a loss because you held it. Just say you're holding these, okay? Oh, that's a loss. All right, let's keep going. So we gap down pretty good. Gap down pretty good here. Okay, you're getting a buy or sell, or I'm sorry, a buy signal, and it's below the histogram, but the bands are not agreeing with you right now. The bands aren't helping you. So you can't take that. Okay, so it doesn't really look like you can take any signal pretty much all day except for this one here at the end. Okay, let's see what this one does. You got this one here at the end. You got a buy signal right here. You get a couple of them, but if you just take one of them here, let's pick one. Let's pick this one here, right above here. Let's pick that buy signal right there. Right there. And it looks like you lost that one as well. Even though it was touching the band and it was under the histogram, wasn't enough room to get 12 points. So once again, you got like 8 points and you lost that trade. Okay, so that's 2 losses now. 2 losses. Okay, let's go on down here. You did get a buy signal here. No follow through though. You did get a sell signal here, but you're not above the histogram, so you're automatically ignoring it. But I did give you one to go in the opposite direction, and you were at a band right here. But you can't take it because it wasn't above the histogram. Okay, so this one here, you're getting a buy signal here. Looks like it's coming right here. Okay, so we're gonna put our stop. Where'd it come? Came here. So the buy signal came on this candle here after this big run up. We can't take it. It's too far away from the band. Too far away from the band, the lower band. Okay, let's see if we get a sell signal up top. We do get a sell signal, but once again, we're too far away from the band here. Okay, so let's just keep rolling with it. We do get a sell signal here, but can't take it. It's above the histogram. Let's see here. Okay, we get a buy signal here. Okay, we can't take it. I mean, it's volatile enough, but it's $7 into the band. So we get one here, right? Get one right here on this candle here. So we would take it on this candle here. Okay, and we don't take it, but we also don't get it even if we did. Like it looks like we almost do, but we don't take that because it's not near the band. Okay, so we have a sell signal here, but that sell signal's not near the band. We keep going, keep going. All right, this might be our one right here. We have a buy signal. It happens here. The buy signal happens here, and we're just leaving the band by 5 points. So if we get a signal and we're leaving the band by 5 points, I would take that. You're just one candle removed from the band right here. You're below the histogram. Okay, you're below the histogram going up. So I'm going to count that as a win. Let me know if you guys agree with that. You think this is too far away? I mean, we're practically at the 20, but we're just one bar removed, and it's a very strong bar with a tail. I think I would have used my discretion in taking that if I was following this strategy. Okay, let's go down. Let's go back up. We have a sell signal here. We can take it, but we're far away from the band, and we're many, many candles removed from the band, so we're not going to take that. We have another sell signal here. Same situation as down here. We aren't at the band, though, and the bands are not, I mean, we just aren't at the band, period, so we can't take it. Buy signal below, get it right here, can't take it, away from the band. Okay, let's go down here now. Where are we with this? This is a good one here. I would take this. Go ahead and copy this here. You get the signal here, and you get you get the signal right here. It's actually on a red candle that you get the signal, and you're close enough to the band to take that. So you can say, okay, when this goes above that, I'm taking it. As you can see, we would have won that. Okay, so that's another win. Okay, where else are we here? This was a big run up. I mean, you could have potentially caught more of that, but we're just going to do simple risk to reward so that there's no, I'm trying to make a point here. I'm not trying to say, well, would I have held it? Because I probably would have drawn a trend line and tried to hold this. That's just me. Let's pull a negative one down here because it has been a while since we took a short, so it's kind of just hanging up there. Pull that down here. Okay. Okay, the next one that we get is right here. Next one we can take. Well, hold on. We have a sell signal here. You guys see that? We have a sell signal on this bar here. Can't take it. Can you take that? No, you can't take that. Can't take that sell signal. Yeah, you can't take it. This here where they kind of flatten out, that's kind of weird price action, but looks like there's a sell signal right here. And if it were, so we got one right here on this candle here. If it were above the histogram, we could take it, but it's not. So it rules that out for us. Okay, so we're coming down here now. Coming down here to this area here. We have a buy signal here. It is below the histogram, but it's below the 20. We cannot take it. Okay, up here, we have a sell signal. It's above the histogram. It's above the histogram, and you get it right here. Not close to the Bollinger Band, though. Can't take it. Okay, can't take it. Okay, down here. Down here, we get a crossover right here. Can't take it. Up here. Up here, we get a crossover here. Get a crossover right here. Can't take it. Get a crossover here. Okay, this one you can take, looks like. This one here you can take. You got a crossover right here. And then this next candle, and it's near the band. Okay, so you would be looking at getting right in after the crossover. Okay, you're near the band, and this trade you would have won. You would have won it in about 5 candles. Okay, so that's a 4th win there. Okay, we got above histogram here. Can't take it. It's too far away from the band. Okay, we have a below histogram here. You get the signal here. Can't take it. Next one's too far away. You do get a nice sell signal here, but you're not near the band when you get it. About 4 candles removed. Okay, so let's keep on going here. Let's keep dragging these up. Let me just copy these so that I don't have to keep finding them. Save us some time here. Hold on. Okay, copy those out. All right, looks like we got something here. We got a buy signal, but we can't take it. It might have been a good one. Might have been a decent buy signal, but we're too far away from the bands here, and they've stretched out because of volatility. Can't take that one. Okay, we've got a big one here, and this actually looks like one that I would probably take. No, I wouldn't. Can't take it. Way far away from the band. Okay, let's keep going. Keep going. Any of these above? You got one here. Can't take it. Too far away. You've got one that's going below the band. Buy signal that it didn't really happen below though, and either way you couldn't take it because it was on the 20 when it happened. Um, you had a sell signal here. You just came from the band, but you're 1, 2 candles away from the band. Can't take it. Can't take it. Keep going. You got one. You got a buy signal here. Okay, you got a buy signal here. I would say you could take this. You get the buy signal here. No, you're damn near at the 20. Can't take it. You get almost across in another buy here. This is interesting here, guys. This would be discretionary here because you do get, well, it never goes red, but they're so close together it almost did. So I would say you could take that. It's below the histogram and you could take that, and that would be a win. So I'm gonna give myself an easy win. So let's just keep going. But I would have probably erred on the side of taking that. Um, okay, you have this one here. This one's too close to the 20. Can't take it. Okay, let's see here. You have a buy signal here. The next one is above the 20. Can't take it. You have a sell signal here, and it is happening above the histogram, but it's at the bottom band. Can't take it. Sell signal here, or buy signal here. Now this is interesting. You do have a buy signal happening right here. Okay, it is below the histogram. We are near this 20 period here, or near this bottom band. I would say I would take that actually, even though I think it's going to lose. I would say that's something I would take. So where we get the signal here, so we got to get in on this candle here, right? This candle here, and right there. Did we win this? I don't think we win this before we get stopped out. Let's see. Nope, we get stopped out right here by a tick, and then we go on to, well, not win it either. But we get to 11 points, and then we lose it. So 3 losses. Just being mechanical, just being fair with it. Okay, let's keep going. Nothing really here. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. We got 7 trades in. We got 13 more to go. I'm going to speed this part of the video up to get a final analysis. Okay, so you're going to see me looking at trades. I'll try to zoom in on the bars to show you whether I would take them or not, but I think you get the gist of it now. If it's near the band or make a candle, maybe 2 candles, small candles remove, we'll take it. If it's not, we're not going to take it. So let's just go through and get through the rest of these so you don't have to sit through all of this. So we ran out of uh, trades to take. Let's see when we took our first trade back here. When was that? When did we take that very first trade? I should have been marking them out, but I wasn't. It has to be somewhere around here 'cause it's where the first boxes are. No, we go back further. Okay, so you see, even with a strategy like this, and you see the big problem with this one is the signal from the MACD was too late. So just mentioned this in a previous video. You're following indicators, you're going to be late. All right. But even then, we got 11 wins and 5 losses following those very strict rules. Only a histogram above histogram, and you know the rules. They were in the beginning. And we got 5 losses. So let's just make this 9 losses. Okay, just because we couldn't find any more trades. But let's make it 9 losses. And let's multiply 11 by 12. Each time we won 12 points. That's 132 points. Okay. And let's multiply 9 by 8 points, because every time we lost 8 points. So that's going to equal 72. And without even doing the calculator math, okay, we got minus 132. Okay, we're 60 points plus. 60 points plus in ES points. Okay, now each point of the ES is $50. Made $3,000 in points from this strategy. Just this one strategy. Why? Because we won a little bit more than we lost, just a little bit more. We only won 2 more times than we lost. But when we won 1.5 times. And when we only lost 1 unit, which was the 8 points. And we made up 4 losses. So anyone that's saying that, oh, that wasn't a trade you would have took, or that's kind of sketchy, you kind of get that back here in these losses right here. All right. So I'm going to be doing this type of video for basically all the strategies I teach in my channel. I'm going to do some volume profile. I'm going to do 20 trades. I'm going to do some trend lines. I'm going to do VSA. I'm going to do straight price action. I'm going to do all of those to show you that it's not the strategy that's keeping you unprofitable. It's your risk management and your psychology and your ability to stick to your rules. Some of these with the histogram down below, we wanted to take, but they were too far away from the top or bottom band, so we couldn't take them, right? So, some of those would have led to great trades. And you're not looking at the times when you could break even, like a couple times we made 8 or 9 points. Are you going to really let $500 go away in search of, you know, um, the full amount? You really gonna let that happen? Probably not. You're probably gonna go ahead and take that profit or at least break even on it. But all that being aside, though, if we just held it from loss to profit, this would be what you can expect from this. So next one I think I'll do is trend lines and Bollinger Bands. Then I'll do VWAP by itself. Then I'll do 20 with price action. But let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and I hope this helped. All right.